In this video, I am going to show you how to access sports channels during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're a sports fan looking to stream live games and events, this guide will help you make the most of your trial period. Let's get started. To access sports channels on YouTube TV, start by signing up for a free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. YouTube TV's base package includes popular sports networks like ESPN, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, and regional sports networks, RSNs, all of which are available during the trial. For premium sports content such as the Tennis Channel or Fox Soccer Match Pass, you may need to add the Sports Plus package for an additional fee. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in, browse the channel lineup, and select the sports channel you want to watch. You can also use the Cloud DVR feature to record games and matches. If this video helped you learn how to access sports channels during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.